Hey, good morning. So I'm on this project. You see lots of material, right? Lots of material. Class 2 road aggregate base, sand, lots of pavers, right? So when you're looking at concrete, think about it. Does all this material go into putting in a brand new driveway with concrete? I think not. Let me show you something. All this rebar was underneath of the driveway, and it still was cracking, still breaking. All that rebar was underneath of the driveway, still cracking, still breaking. And for what? Concrete, where it cracks and breaks in Southern California, doesn't give. There's going to be earthquakes. It's not going to work right. That's why you need paver stones, right? This is Orco block pavers in the Borrego Villa. But this class 2 road aggregate, we're going to be putting 4 inches underneath there for the driveway, 2 inches underneath of there for the walkway, the 1 inch of the angular bedding sand, and then all the pavers. This whole system during an earthquake is going to bend and flex, not crack and break. Why would you want a system where it cracks and breaks? Discolors, looks ugly. So anyway, yes, I talk a lot about pavers. About pavers, is there a good warranty? Yes, because you're buying a good product, Orco. So with every single stone installed, this whole system can bend and flex. So when you have one stone, the weight is then distributed amongst all the stones so that the whole thing can bend and flex and then not crack and break. But this surface also is engineered to be a non-skid surface, wet or dry. So paver stones, definitely the way to go. Concrete, again, look at all the rebar. Rebar's there. Look at all that rebar. The concrete still cracks. So make a smart choice. Go with pavers. Go with something that's going to last and lifetime guarantee. Use your money wisely. Like always, if you find this interesting, press subscribe and then share with friends and let me know what you think. Send me a message. Anyway, Dave Pratt, I'm on this project, and again, let's look at rebar. It doesn't work. Dave Pratt, I'm out.